Hello, FutureSync attendees. This is Dylan Shimon, creator of the Half Stack conferences and the Dojo framework, and a speaker at last year's FutureSync. So I've been asked to explain what is TypeScript. First of all, it's not a language or runtime replacement for JavaScript, and also it's not an attempt to bring Java or C# to JavaScript. Instead, what it is it's a collection of tools to help you write more predictable JavaScript code in the form of expressiveness, linting, testing, tooling, and in some small cases, additional language features that help you describe syntax that's not possible in JavaScript. TypeScript can be used against plain JavaScript code bases, some code that leverages TypeScript and some just vanilla JavaScript or ECMAScript, or very strict, standards compliant, very modern, efficient TypeScript, or really anything in the middle. Often people think of types as simple things like strings or numbers, but TypeScript has much more complex types. And one of the main benefits of TypeScript is the concept of interfaces, or the I in APIs. So JavaScript makes it really difficult to express the intended behavior of an object or a method or a module, and TypeScript provides interfaces for JavaScript, as well as a number of other features that make it easier to explain what your intent is with your code base. So it makes it easier to replace or upgrade a dependency when you know all the possible ways in which it can get used, like you do in other languages that have interfaces. TypeScript also supports modern ECMAScript features and provides support for older variants of language, similar to how Babel can transpile newer features to old features. And at the end, what TypeScript generates is just plain JavaScript that doesn't include any TypeScript in it, so you can run it in any browser or any normal JavaScript environment. Through all of this, TypeScript helps you reduce errors in your code base, and in production helps you find issues, removes a large collection of type checking tests that you might otherwise want to write yourself. And a lot of frameworks have started to leverage it as well. Dojo, which I'm the co-creator of, rewrote completely from the ground up modern reactive framework in TypeScript that takes advantage of a lot of the languages, the features, and a lot of the expressiveness of it. And other frameworks like Angular and Vue and Stencil and Svelte also leverage TypeScript internally. It's a pretty long explanation. I was only supposed to have a minute and a half, but hopefully that makes sense. Thanks, and have a great day.